Here I have HUAWEI Ascend Mate, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you won't really need this kind of tool, which you usually do. You have two slots. Here you have slot for SD card and here you have slot for SIM card. So let's start from SD. So you kind of like remove this piece of something, some material, and then you insert it like this side with some words, something written on it, to your. So this written side is on the side of the screen. Then we close it, and to insert this one you will need this like micro SIM, not the nano but micro, and I guess you put it like that, like with the numbers facing you. Slightly press it so it can be fixed there. Okay, so I guess it's the wrong side. Yeah. So SIM card, you have to insert it with the chip facing you, like this, I guess. No. So you have to insert it with these numbers facing you, and you have to somehow press it. Oh yeah, finally, okay. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. So let's enter it. So to access this SIM card you will have to restart your device, so let's get it. And as you can see, it requires PIN code once again, so let's enter it. And to prove you that SD card is also found, we can go to some kind of files application, file manager you have here, and here we can find SD card section now. It says no memory card. Okay, let's try checking storage in settings. Okay, so firstly we have to kind of like mount SD card. Okay, so we have to format it. Okay, so like in order to use this SD card you also have to format it here. So yeah, and now you can also access SD card too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.